salarin. Yung dalawang salarin. Ayan o.
Fish on, kuyang!
Okay, fishing na naman kami. Today is Friday. So we're gonna have a good weather today, the whole day.
Alright.
Alright. Maganda weather. Ayos. Kasama ko si Bro Jay at Bro Arvin. Hopefully catch tayo maganda.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
Daming baits. Daming mackerels. Ayun, no? 10 meters lang kami. May malalaki, bro. May malalaki sa ilalim.
then will you get bored?
Dami.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat
Ayan.
inside my palm.
Eto yung salarin. Yung dalawang salarin. Ayan, no?
You don't
Mga salarin yan.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
Teamwork pa, teamwork.
So if I play dead, will you regret?
Hindi, nakukuha kasi dito sa timba
I don't think you understand.
Lumulundag dito sa timba pagka inilagay ko
And
ng
my
dito sa
heart's
timba.
black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Ano ba yan?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
Laki niya ha? Bro Jay? Ha? Saka ano, chamba? Kumukulo oh. Kumukulo ang tubig. Ayan oh. Kumukulo ang tubig. Oh. Walang yan.
May lakit mo na magtatanong sa
Nawala yung laman.
999 free legal assistance law para sa mga walang abogado. Kahit na sinong lawyer, pwede mong kunin ng libre. Pwede nila salita sa tax nila ang charge nila sa kaso mo. Kasi isa lang sa inyo ang dapat bigyan ng Public Affairs Office o PAO ng abogado na hanapin mo sa kaso sa free legal assistance law.
Hila ba yun?
Law, may abogado ka na agad.
Eh kuya mo, mukhang pating eh.
Ha?
Ayan.
Patay?
Ayan, oo. Mukhang pating eh. Ayan, oh. Nakalabas yung
Pating,
fin.
putang na, yun oh, pating.
Nakalabas yung fin eh.
Shark.
Mga importanteng balitang pang-consumer. Kalakalan naman, tinataya pong pasukaman ang budget
Oo,
deficit sa
shark.
ganadang 1.52 trillion pesos na
Pating,
ceiling
eh.
sa taong 2024. Ang budget deficit po ay ang sinasabing
Ulihin natin.
ceiling ay yung
Allowed naman tayo sa pating eh.
ng kaso sa
nga, yun,
pamahalaan
pating.
kumpara sa kinikita nito. Sa huling datos nga po ay sumamparaw sa 1.18 trillion pesos ang deficit ng pamahalaan noong Disyembre. At tinatayang lumaki pa yan dahil nga po sa mas malaking paggasto sa huling buwan ng taon. Pero sabi po ni John Paulo Rivera ng Philippine Institute for the hindi naman daw po tiyak na magandang balita kapag hindi lumagpas sa ceiling.
Para sa pating.
Posible po raw kasing merong inefficiency
Baka mapunta
sa
dito yan eh.
pagpapamahalaan,
Ito, live page yan eh.
kung hindi po
Live
naman
page
daw
yan.
Oo.
nalalagpasan ang revenue targets nito.
Samantala, dadalhin na raw ng gobyerno ang Sustainable Livestock Feed Project sa Western Visayas.
Pating
Sa
naman
ilalim
pala
ng
eh.
Protein and Reach, Copramid, mabibigyan ng mas sulit na alternatibong protein source.
Ano?
Matanda pa. Matanda pa sa anak ko eh.
Ano yan ah?
Yo, kuya!
Fish on? Talaga sigurado ka?
Kuya!
Ha? Baka sirena yan, hindi fish.
Baka mamaya sirena nga.
Ha? Bigat talaga. Ayos. Pucha, baka tuna. Tuna ba? Tuna 95? Ha?
Tuna 95.
Tuna 95? Dahan-dahanin lang bro, huwag mong persahin.
Ano naman siya, mag-iba itong ano.
Hindi, yung bunganga. Alalay lang. Ayos.
Pang ano. Mabigat. Yung lago pa. Shark.
Galing ah. Ang laki! Ang laki! Ah, ang laki, mother-in-law. Mother-in-law fish. Mother-in-law fish.
Live ba yun? Live.
Mother-in-law fish. Ayan oh, Port Jackson.
Grabe ko na nga ba.
Alright.
Kasi ganito rin kanina ka.
Bawasan niyo ako ng bail jail. Anong bang kulong ito kaparusahan sa Pilipinong ayaw na magbayad ng premium contribution?
Ba't hindi to?
Ay, pucha.
Kasi nga po, yan po ay nasa batas.
Opo.
Pero yung usapin between the employee and the employer,
Ano yan, buhay?
wala po akong ganong kaalaman yan.
I see. Okay, opo. Sige po. Salamat po sa inyo po pagsagot at Dr. Palos. Kasi nga po ito po yung katanungan na ngayon ng ating po mga manonood. Mayroon na po pahabol at tanong po si Chacha kung mamarapatan niyo po, Dr. Vargas. Charity Award, guys. Perfection.
Ayos.
Yun po, meron din po tayo. Ang mga
Ay,
ay
puta.
tinuring mga isolation room na tinatawag. Na meron din po ward or basic accommodation. Pero nakahiwa.
Fish on! Sa mahabol yan dito. Yan sa ano. Kaya nagkabahan.
Bro, yung pansalok natin.
Saan pa sa ano? Ito.
Ay, naku, pizza.
Ayan, yan.
naman. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki. Ang laki-laki. Ah, bonito. Bro, pagbukas. Ayos. Woo! Laki. Iikot yung bangka natin. Tapos na naman ang fishing. Nakaraos. Ah, kukunti ang nahuli.
Tatlong balde lang.
Kukunti. Alright. Uwi na naman. Karaos na naman ang mga adik sa fishing.
Adik sa isdahan.
Oo. Next time ulit.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said
Alright.
you felt that way. 'Cause you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could.
Ayun. Ito ang huli. Yan lang naman ang huli. Ah,
Kunti lang ano?
ah.
Kunti lang ang natira sa port.
Mackerels, slimy mackerels, yakas, flatheads, bream, and bonito. Ayos.